Hi everybody! Welcome back to Janelle Eats, where you learn how to make Filipino food with easily accessible ingredients. Please welcome Chef Kryssie Tinsay. She is going to be making Ube Crinkle cookies for us.
I'm so excited to be making some crinkles and most of all to be eating some crinkles.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get alerted of this 3-part series. You do not want to miss the next videos. Should we get started, Chef?
Yes, let's do it.
Yay!
So for the Ube Crinkle recipe, it starts with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. And then you're gonna pour in 1 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil, whatever oil you have. And then 12 ounces of ube halaya. You can get one from the jar from Asian markets that sell it, or you can also make it from scratch. I don't typically measure when I do the ube extract. It's probably around a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons, depending on how purple you like it. It's really just up to you. Mix it until it comes together, and then you're gonna add in 2 eggs. After you mix the wet ingredients, then you're gonna add your dry ingredients. So that's 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So in that batch, everything was in the flour. I mixed already together. And then you're gonna just mix it until it comes together. Your batter is gonna look wet. It's okay for it to look like that. So after you made the batter, you're gonna you could do it 2 ways. You can either scoop it and then chill it, or chill the actual entire batter first until it's nice and firm. You wanna do that before you bake it, so that way it doesn't spread out and you don't get a flat cookie. You get a nice, thick cookie that's going to be more moist because it'll spread less. And then you're just gonna cook it in a 350-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes. When you put a timer on and it rings, it's gonna look a little undercooked, but that's okay. You wanna pull it out just before it looks done so that you don't overcook the cookie. So you want your cookie to be nice and moist. And then you dust it with powdered sugar, like generous amount. But before you do that, make sure that your cookie is completely cold. Otherwise, the cookie will create steam and it'll melt your powdered sugar. And there's your cookie, and it's really good with coffee. I like this recipe a lot because it's actually not very sweet. It's a breeze to make.
You made that look so simple and easy. And thank you so much for sharing your recipe with us.
Of course, I had a lot of fun making it.
I had a lot of fun eating it. So actually, if somebody wanted to go order from you, how can we contact you?
They can visit my website, eatatKitchen1726.com. I also do private events, cooking lessons. So yeah, just give me a call. I'm in the OC and LA area.
Next week, Chef Kryssie is going to be showing us how to make her ube butter.
Yes, it's going to be delicious. Butter from scratch.
So subscribe so you don't miss it, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.